When we thought of Dabble, it was 5 a.m. We were together and we were thinking of how she could bring the idea of her teaching to more people. And she didn't want it to be kind of like an academy or some kind of classes or some kind of school. She wanted it to be something more fun, more open, more loose. And so it was about 5 a.m. and I remember waking up. We had toyed with all kinds of different names. We wanted kind of like a movement, like a call to action, something that would get people excited. And I just said, let's dabble. And Jen's like, what? And I go, let's dabble. She goes, let's dabble. So we became, hey, we're gonna dabble. And these people aren't gonna be students or academy goers or they're not gonna be in school. They're gonna be dabblers. When she decided to start sharing with the world what she could do, how she could actually share her technique, share her style, share what she believed in, share just what she had for the world. I never would have thought that at that moment when she started teaching, I know she's very charismatic and she's just wonderful to be around. She didn't know that. She didn't know how she would come across, on the other side of a camera. It's so fun to see Jen in her element because she really loves what she does. She loves art, she loves creating, and more importantly, she loves sharing. So if I were to think of one word that describes what we are, family. We have become such a part of these dabblers' lives that it's like one giant family. And I love them. I love meeting them. I love talking to them. I love helping them. I love supporting them. I love giving them new passwords or fixing their email addresses, and it just feels like one giant family. And so meeting them in person, meeting them online, meeting them, talking on the phone, if I were to describe one word about Let's Dabble, family.